Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? Okay, so today we just stopped in what is it?
Tegalalang
Tegalalang
rice terrace in Ubud. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. One of the restaurants where we are. Oh, maybe you are familiar with this. Doesn't really matter. They are all the same on the one street here, but only we are here customers. And Sayang already eating the pisang goreng. How is it, honey? Is it nice?
So hot, so good. So yeah, we were just coming from Tabanan, and then we decided just to go to see how is Tegalalang nowadays. You know, when normal time it was hype. You see down there, it used to be a theme park with the swings, you know, selfie pictures. But today, only us.
So that's how it looks Tegalalang in 2021. There are some restaurants here. Only actually this and this. I think this restaurant is closed. Only this restaurant is open where we are. And yeah, that's how it looks. Like this restaurant down there is already taken by the jungle. And swing, there is the fire, they smoke something. In general, normally, if you don't know, somehow you are not familiar with the area over there, everywhere. So many people, so many selfie spots, swing. Over there, swing everywhere was swing, and was so many people walking around. Like from the far looks like ants walking from the rice fields, but now it's like nobody walk here, and even no path is here. If you are familiar, there was the path, and there was even some people asking for money to go there, but I think all is closed or just simply no interest. And also there is the river. I think you cannot pass the river, I don't know. However, looks like this. It's just simply super quiet, and maybe it's actually even more beautiful right now when there's nobody around. I don't know, you can comment below what do you think, but we would like to just show you how it looks there. Tegalalang.
Well, personally, if you ask me, where do you prefer to visit about the rice paddies? I mean, like the rice terrace in Jatilwe or this one, Tegalalang? Well, as a local, obviously, I prefer to visit Jatilwe, the rice paddies there, because, you know, in Jatilwe we can still see like so many natural views that there is not much of the restaurant, there is no theme park like swing, selfie picture, not yet. But in Tegalalang we see like, you know, down there it's already left abandoned. And then you see some restaurant also with the vine, you know, like small trees already grows there. I know that in the normal time, this place is very hype. You know, you just came here, just wanna take picture with the swings and showing that you are already in Tegalalang. But nowadays, you see, in every single, I can say that spot is restaurant, and yeah.
And now it's empty restaurant because obviously nobody is around, as you can see, only us.
When we were in Jatilwe, I can still see some domestic tourists that visiting Jatilwe. But today, even there is no domestic tourists, and this is just like weekend, and you see it's just like deserted. Nobody here except the waiters, the workers in the restaurant,
And us.
Meanwhile, Damian is flying his drone, so you can see how it is the Tegalalang rice terrace from the bird's eye view. Hi, honey.
Hi, sayang.
So yeah, in the restaurant, only us.
So that's how it looks from the rice field view. I also fly the drone, so you have a better perspective. How does it look like? I hope so you enjoyed. Also comment below, as always. And meanwhile, that's how it looks, the Tegalalang village, the main street. And usually here is so many businesses, like so many warungs.
Art shop, and yeah, you see that behind nowadays, you know, like closed art shop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally, like people will calling you that, you know, going to visit the art shop
And buy something, or in general buy something, but seems like not anymore. So normally here is so many people trying to sell you something. All these buildings, they are some shopping strolls, warungs. They try to sell you something. Like this lady, for example, she tried to sell me something today. Hello, how are you today? Oh, you have a very nice t-shirt, this one. Do you have like this one for sale?
Yeah, we have.
No. No. Ah, thank you. For good luck. Thank you so much. Maybe next time, okay? And meanwhile, that's how it looked like. So the beautiful lady tried to sell you something, but this is only one lady who tried to sell you something. Normally, is a lot of ladies in every corner who try to sell you like this. Taxi, but no taxi drivers here anymore anyway. And this was some small coffee shop or ice cream, and looks very very abundant, and it's many things like this in this village. Looks like there is another lady who's trying to sell something, but in general doesn't look much optimistic on Intergalalang so far. Alright guys, we just arrived to the Bali most famous waterfall called Tegenungan waterfall in Ubud, and we are in the parking area, but that was the parking with so many cars always, if you remember maybe on your last trip here, but now it's like grass here. I mean, it's like deserted here, I could say. I don't know even if any guests here. They are like one, and here two cars, so basically seems very quiet, but we will see how is the Tegenungan
God.
waterfall right now. What's your
Can
expression?
you hear the loud music
But
already from here?
I think local people have a party somewhere here.
I don't know,
will
maybe
see.
there is a new jungle club in Tegenungan waterfall. Let's
They are
see.
actually.
Hello.
So that's how it looked like. The village going to the Tegenungan waterfall in general. Yes,
Yeah,
honey?
but actually that the ticketing is closed, but they said the waterfall is open. And I think that the one waiter said, you can go down to go to waterfall, but don't swim because there is no lifeguard.
No
and look at this
lifeguard.
one, brand new restaurant.
This is brand new. This is the party what I'm talking about. They have a jacuzzi at the top.
Look at that
even.
guy on the top.
Hello, thank you.
Yeah, nice. Oh, they have a swimming pool on the top. That's why they have a party maybe on the top.
Yeah, but we are going to
Oh, just like this.
but we are going to the waterfall, not for the party lah.
Yeah, let's go.
Anyway,
And look at the warung surrounds, restaurant.
they are mostly closed, most of them. Not most of them, all of them, except this party place at the top. And welcome to Tegenungan waterfall.
The most famous, the world famous waterfall in Ubud.
In Bali.
In Bali, in Gianyar.
It's actually in Bali, the world famous. Bali famous. Hello. And that's only one warung. Hello. Open. And there is the go down to the waterfall. Actually, some people going. I think they are local. But here is the waterfall, and I think we're gonna show from here. There's some people. Yo, what's up?
Hi.
Welcome to the Tegenungan waterfall. And here we go. Here's the waterfall. Looks like this. One new beach club. I mean, the construction started before you know what, but well, it's already long time. There is another river club, and there is another. We were there once, and there is the lift. Honey, they have a lift now.
Oh my God, it's gonna be a kind of a big restaurant, overview the waterfall, and you see how they built the restaurant.
And I just want to mention, it's just back like 4, maybe 5 years ago, like circa 2016, 15, maybe 16, don't remember exactly. There was only here was the waterfall, only waterfall, maybe some small warungs, maybe this village was already like this. But now you have a beach club, no, not beach club, river club, waterfall club, or however you call this, I don't know. So that's how it's changing everything, right? Also, like most of the popular waterfalls in Bali, the selfie spot, bird nest, or whatever you call, waterfall is all the time over there. And another bird nest and swings. I don't know if it's swing. Definitely there are swings in the club over there, but I don't know if the waterfall. And here is some warung. Maybe we're gonna have some drink or something if it's open. Yeah, that's how it looks. The waterfall from the perspective of the bird nest or whatever it's called. Honey, you wanna have Instagram? All right, it's done. Yeah, that's how it looks like.
Based on my observation when I just arrived, I see that only domestic tourists who came here, and then I didn't see any bule except Damian. So yeah, this is how it is, the waterfall nowadays. And honey, do you want to go down?
Definitely, I'm not interested.
Maybe I just want to have a chill here having my coconut. Maybe you can fly drone if so.
Maybe I will fly drone down there, okay? So, like we already mentioned, that will be the river club, whatever it's called. There will be the swing, the green thingy. There will be lift. There is the office, and there will be probably parking. So, if you are a customer of this place, you can go by lift, not by stairs. The waterfall is still there. Still little bit trees, and here over there will be another construction of something. There is the road under construction, development, some construction. I don't know what's gonna be here, so expect in another 5 years as will be nothing green here, only the buildings in my predictions.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Tegalalang Rice Terrace, and then we move to the most famous Tegenungan waterfall.
This is like a little bit like a Ubud trip or something, if you are going with your driver or something like that, so little bit memories.
Yeah, so maybe for those of you who have been to Bali and then you are going to Ubud trip, maybe your driver will take you to the Tegenungan waterfall and also Galarang Rice Terrace. So we're just showing you how it is now. So many developments, restaurant. It's gonna be the lift or escalator, and another building gonna be. So yeah, this is how it is. I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Bye.